Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show how I make this luggage carrier rack for my Xpulse bike. Well, I had these steel pipes at my home and I used them. We have to take out the rubber like thing from the bike and we can see 4 screws or bolts. As you can see in the video, there are 4 bolts or screws and we have to take them out. Take out the screw, which is the smaller one, and we have to use the longer one instead of smaller one. We can buy these screws from our local hardware store. My custom calculated dimension is in the video. I went to the metal workshop to cut, drill and weld these metals and bring them to the shape. The luggage carrier rack is now completed and we just tighten these screws and paint it black.